The weekly code quiz. What is text indent? Text indent is used to adjust the length of the empty space placed before lines of text in a text block. The property accepts lengths in the units we have described previously, as well as percentages. In this case, the amount of indentation is a percentage of the width of the containing block. Negative values are also accepted. Does text indent vary on different browsers? There are two experimental values that will have inconsistent browser support. Each line, so the indentation will affect the first line of a block container and each line after a forced line break. Hanging reverses this process. In this case, all lines except the first line are indented. Let's look at some examples. Here is the HTML. We have created classes for different options, creating a text indent using pixels, percentages, ems, and negative values. As previously, we are truncating the lorem ipsum placeholder text for space reasons. And now the CSS. In the first example, we are using a pixel amount to indent the text. In the second example, we are using a percentage. In the third example, we are using ems. And in the fourth example, we are using negative values. And this is how it would display. When you are adjusting the width of the browser, you can see how the percentage value changes and the amount of indentation changes. With regards to experimental values, if you were to use them, this is the correct syntax. Selector, text indent, 20 pixels, or whatever length desired, each line. Selector, text indent, 20 pixels, or whatever length desired, hanging. Presented by Designers Learn Code.